Reply to star question number 8. A. Yes, sir. B. Sir, the post-mortem report reveals that all 6 males died due to trauma leading to multiple fractures and hemorrhages. C. Yes, sir. D. Yes, sir. E. Sir, section 188-304A/341 IPC, read with section 21 bracket 5 Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act and section 3/4 Explosive Substance Act.
Honorable Speaker, sir, may I inquire from the Honorable Chief Minister, what was the circumstances that led to trauma leading to multiple fractures and hemorrhages, sir?
Sir, it's a long word, that's why, sir. I'll just, because I'm looking at the police report. So basically, the individuals, the bodies that were found outside, so the exact report is not here with me under what circumstances. It's here in the thing, but I don't have it right now with me, sir. Just require notice for that, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, keeping in mind that reply of the Honorable Chief Minister.
Sir, can I just, I got the lines, I was looking for it. Sorry, Honorable Member. So there were reports available, they were certain the cause of the mishap, and to identify the dead laborers, the police team examined the few nearby residences, and they reported that one Sardar was supervising the extraction work of the dead laborers and had fled the location. But sir, on the spot it was also found that the death cause of the laborers may be due to mechanical error to the crane used by the said laborers in their earth extraction.
May I know the depth at which this huge trauma of multiple fractures and hemorrhage occurred, sir? What was the depth of this fall if they were excavating land?
So that information is not available with me right now, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, may I request that these informations be furnished on the floor of the House subsequently, sir. Sir, in reply to question 8D, how many arrests were made, sir, keeping in view of the information given by the Honorable Chief Minister that a Sardarji has fled the site?
Sir, there was one person who was arrested, and an attempt was made to arrest another individual, and but both of them have received bail, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, the Honorable Chief Minister has committed in the course of his reply that they are out on bail. Under which sections of law were they permitted to be out on bail?
So that is at the judiciary level, sir. So that information will not be available with me right now. So those, but as I said, the sections under which they have been, the sections that have been imposed, I have included in the primary reply. But beyond that, sir, the judiciary has taken its course independently. So therefore, those details are not available with me. It's a judiciary matter.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I would feel that keeping in mind that the reply to 8E has been furnished by the Honorable Chief Minister, I feel that that is not fair. And it is not expected of a member to go to the judiciary to find out these details. However, may I know under section 21(5) of MMDR, what were the actions taken and what was realized subsequently in response to section 21(5) MMDR Act?
So these are very technical details of the acts. I mean, if the honorable member wants, I can go through the entire details. It's right in front of me. So I'll read out, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I know the section concerned. I'm sorry to interrupt the Honorable Chief Minister. I know what these sections say. I do not need clarity on that, but I'm saying after having applied 21/5 MMDR Act, what was the action taken by the government and what was realized for the government?
So it's a very vague question. I mean, the fact that the act was applied because the individuals there had been found, again, as I said, under the MMDR Act. So tools and different kind of equipments were found. So based on that, this MMDR Act was imposed, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir,
I think
therefore,
you're done with 5.
sir, no, sir.
Yes.
Please, may I have one
Yes.
more clarity? So, MMDR 21/5 specifically says that where such minerals have been already disposed of, the price thereof recovered from such persons, rent, royalty, tax. I want to know, what did the government do?
About what, sir?
Applying this section of Act on this incident.
Sir, as I said, that the different equipments that were found out there, those equipments have been seized. But apart from that, there was nothing. So I don't understand where the question of revenue and all these aspects that the member has mentioned is coming in. I mean, we could sell off the equipments if the honorable member would be happy.
We move
Sir,
to,
sir.
no,
Sir, please,
sorry,
sir.
sorry ma'am.
Sir,
You have
we
already
cannot,
six
sir, please,
six
sir.
questions, please.
Please, sir, one
Please,
clarity.
I have already
One
allowed you.
clarity.
I have
Just
already
one-
allowed you the 6th question also, please.